Alright, you know what to do?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Okay, she know what to do because I told her how to ride the first time. Okay, let's go. Let me see something. Look, can't even start. Kid, look how much gas. Wow, she about to fly into the fucking tree.
Oh my God.
Yeah, you do that, you do that again, it's a wrap. This, lento. It's good. Lento. You know what to do. Trey is the one, I promise you. I told her that. I promise you I told her that. I'm saying, all me, I did this. She hasn't rolled in months. You rubbing the shit out of that motherfucker. First gear work, let's go. First gear. Okay, yeah. You really think she's all that with that takeoff? Like, who you think you is? You got that from me. The big dog, the professor, the teacher. Feel me? Spicy too. My love. Come here. She dogging right now. Your foot over here?
Nah.
You necesito. Right here, all the time. All the time. No, no over here. No, no bueno. Right there, yes. Okay, go ahead.
No,
Let's see. Yes, we want to see. You just took off with the, you know what I'm saying? Let me see something. First gear work. Okay. Okay. You good. Let's go. Uh-oh. What happened? ¿Qué pasó? Oh my God. Don't do that. I'm telling you, you gonna flip right over. That's funny. There you go. There you go. There you go. My love, your foot. Yes. Gotta tell her to keep that foot on that back brake. That's how you stop. You feel me?
road in a long time, y'all. So my tune and my chop is not there, but it's there though.
Hoping I'm drowned, trying to stay above the surface. Putting all this work, I wonder if it's really worth it. How I act in private, I'm the same nigga in person. Shit just wasn't working, had to tighten up my circle, I hope you don't take it personal.